we prepared some exercises where we will experiment with tools for generating images and voice and observe and discuss the generated results. Specifically, we will examine if we observe cases of biases in the generated artifacts. We will discuss the biases within the National Institute of Standards and Technology NIST framework. For review, NIST identifies 3 primary categories of AI biases: systemic biases, human biases, and statistical and computational biases. The first exercise focuses on image generation. We will interact with an AI software for image generation to observe and reveal different types of biases. We choose po.com, which is a website that permits us to write some prompt and generate images, text, etc. With po.com, you have 3,000 points and 120 points per prompt to use freely. We will use the Stable Diffusion XL model, that is a high-quality image generation model tailored toward more photorealistic outputs. We will experiment with prompts such as a portrait of a software engineer, an African man and his fancy house, toys in Iraq, etc. And we will observe the result. Here is a demo of the tool. In the tool, I'm inputting a prompt. Here, a portrait of a software engineer. And I observe the image generated. You may have to do this several times to observe and reveal some biases. We will conclude on this exercise by summarizing answers to questions related to the common unexpected themes in the biases, implications of the observed biases, responsibilities to address the biases, and steps to take actions to reduce biases. The second exercise focuses on voice generation. In this exercise, we will interact with an AI software for voice generation to observe and also, again, reveal different types of biases. We choose to use Google Vertex AI text-to-speech. That is free to be used for this type of exercise. We will use the Harvard phrases of the IEEE recommended practice for speech quality measurements. The Harvard Sentences is a collection of 720 sample, phonetically balanced phrases used for standardized testing of voice, cellular, and phone systems. After providing information about your native language and any voice-related disorder and specificities, like an accent, you will record yourself saying some of these sentences and observe how the model performs on your own voice. Here is a demo of the tool. Here, I will record my own voice. I click on Record Your Voice. I will start the recording and say a sentence, and then I will stop. The box was thrown beside the parked truck. I click on Stop, and I click on Submit to see the sentence that is generated. And I observe the result. You will conclude on this exercise like before by summarizing answers to questions related to the common unexpected themes in the biases, implication of the observed biases, responsibilities to address the biases, and steps to take actions to reduce biases.